This drone does its own stunts. Welcome to the review today, you guys. We're doing a review of this syma drone. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So this drone can do tricks. Of all of the features of it, that is by far our favorite feature. So this is a nice little compact drone that can fold up for easy storage. Straight out of the box, you're gonna get the drone, the 2 batteries, and the controller. Now, we tried every single app that we could find to connect and use the camera on this drone, but none of them worked for us. I have Android 14 on a Google Pixel Pro, so maybe that's why. Maybe some of you iPhone users will have a little bit easier time doing this. I did look through and it said some people got the app to work. We could not get the app to work, but I didn't really care because the camera was the least important part of this drone to us. It does tricks. It's so easy to fly. It has 1 key takeoff and landing. It does have sensors to stop you from running into things, and it's very responsive. You can easily do tricks with this thing. We flew it both inside and outside. Inside, it flew super easily as there was no wind to throw it off, of course. Outside, a small amount of wind does make it a little bit more difficult, but again, with how responsive the controls were, we were able to keep it under control pretty well. This thing is going to bring you hours of fun flying it around and mastering the right codes to do the tricks. There are so many options for this thing inside the app, but again, since we couldn't get the app to work, I can't show you those things. Maybe if we get it working, we can do an update video for you. We did reach out to their support to see what else we could try. So besides that, this thing is super fun to fly. If you're looking for a fun little drone that can easily do tricks and impress your friends, this one could be it.